Oh. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh. I haven't had this neck like in a month. Oh my God. You the man. You said I was gonna be okay. You the man. Oh my God. This really just happened. I don't know if I want to cry because I'm happy or like, oh my God. Oh my God. Now I see why everybody was. Oh my God. Now I see why everybody was laughing. Oh my God. Dr. Shalabi. You one of God's angels. Oh my God. Okay. 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 Oh my God. You like doing this? You love it. I can tell. Because this is top tier. And you just standing back in the corner because you know you doing this shit. You so raw. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Take a deep breath in and out.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I just paid for a new bag. Oh my God. I feel like everybody needs a Dr. Shalabi. Oh my God. Dr. Shalabi needs a Dr. Shalabi. You how? You're so raw. Oh my God. Oh my God. I have never in my life been speechless. I don't have the words to describe this. Oh my God.
Take a deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is like 110% satisfaction guaranteed. You so cold, Dr. Shalabi. Oh my God. I could turn my neck. Oh my God.